Wow, what a beautiful day. The sun is out, light breeze. It can only mean one thing. Yes, it's allotment 25. Welcome. Today is a red letter day. You're in for a special treat. Let me tell you all about it. These beautiful red leaves, also known as Lal-Saag, these are coming home with me today. The plan is a prawn curry with Lal-Saag. I'm also going to be harvesting these today. Now from this angle it might just look like a bunch of weed, but I'm led to believe deep underground I'm going to have some red radish. As well as the red radish, I'm going to be harvesting all of this. It's my spinach. How quickly it's grown. Looking beautiful. The leaves are big, green, looking crisp and ready. And right next to it, check this out. Wow. Any ideas what they are? Carrot tops. Look at all these carrot tops. Never in a million years did I think I would have so many carrot tops up here. Looking great. So I'll definitely be harvesting these today. Although I'm not going to be harvesting any chilies or peppers today, I just want to show you a quick update. Look at these pepper plants. These are the ones that Bilkis grew at home. Look at them, looking great. And we've also got baby peppers on here as well. Look at that one there. There's a few. Let me just move the leaves. Look at that. Every single one of them has peppers on them. Also the Fathi Laows are looking good. These are the young ones that I showed you on one of the previous videos. Look at that one, looking good. There's a few more. Look at that one. Another one here. And there, that's another one. They're not ready for harvest quite yet, but hopefully in a few more weeks they'll be ready and I'll be back. Let me do what I came here for. Harvesting. Got my scissors. I'm ready. Let's do this. These are the first Lal-Saag of Allotment 25. Look at that leaf. Beautiful. Let's take a few more. All I'm going to do is take the leaves. These things that you can see here, they're basically going to give us seeds. So I'm going to leave them on there. And then hopefully we'll be able to get more seeds from them and grow some more. But this prawn curry that we're planning on having tonight with these Lal-Saag, I've had it before with shop bought Lal-Saag. It's tasted good. Imagine how much better it's going to be with these ones. Let's take a few more off. Look at the quality, guys. Anyone who's cooked with Lal-Saag before will tell you these leaves are absolutely first class. I'm gonna carry on harvesting some more of these beautiful red leaves. And what I'll do, once I'm done, I'll come back to you and I'll show you what I've got. Let me crack on and I'll see you guys in a second. I've got what I need from the Lal-Saag for today. I think that's more than sufficient for the prawn curry. Look at these red leaves. They look absolutely gorgeous, and they're going to taste even better, especially with the prawns. Still plenty left on the, I don't know what you call them, on the stems, I suppose. So that's another harvest for another day. But for now, this is sufficient. Time to harvest the radishes. I'm going to go and grab those now. As you can see, the radish area is full of, I don't know what, looks so weedy to me. I'm a bit hesitant to get my hands in there without me getting rid of these things. So I'm going to cut some of this top off, and then I'm going to try and dig the red radishes out. I wonder if I can just do this. I think that's the best way. Just go gung-ho, cut a lot of this up. Look, can you see there's a red radish there? It's actually come out of the ground. Wow. Actually, if I move some of this, look, there you go. Can you see that? Oh my God, there's so many there. Look at that. Right, let me cut more of this top off. Just so much. In between these weeds, there's a lot of stinging nettles as well, and I'm petrified of them. Beautiful red radishes. All shapes and sizes. The beauty of growing your own. I'm gonna carry on and dig the rest of this patch. Get rid of all these, I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna get rid of all of them, and then I'll dig out the red radishes and I'll come back to you guys. The radish harvest is done. As you can see, it's not the best harvest, but I'll still take it. It's better than nothing. Straight from the ground to here, and then onto the plate. Okay, let's go and attack the carrots now. I'm on the carrots right now. Time to harvest these. I want to try and see if I can save the carrot tops. Imagine getting carrots with the carrot top still on them. Wouldn't that look just beautiful? Let me see if I can just dig them out without having to cut these tops off. Okay, let's give this a try, see what happens. Hopefully I might be able to just dig it and then just pull them out of the ground. Okay, hang on. Oh wow. What do we have here? Oh, look at that, guys. Carrots. I don't know why I sound surprised. After all, I did put carrot seeds in there. So if it's not carrots, what else is it going to be? I think I'm more surprised that it worked. Look at that. That's a beautiful looking carrot. And I've got the carrot top on there as well. Let me get it out there so you can have a proper look. These are the first carrots of allotment 25. Still, the carrot tops are attached. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like a bouquet of carrots. Imagine getting that as a gift. Any gardener would be happy. Still got all of that left to harvest. Let me crack on. As I've been digging these carrots out, I've realized I could actually just pull them out. Look at that. Quite simple. Look at these beautiful carrots. Let's get some more. Wow. Let's get a few more and then I'll carry on. Look at that, guys. Wow. How many carrots are there? Fantastic. With each pull, I get so many. Look, more. Let's do it here. Look, more carrots. Carrots galore. Another pull? Why not? One for good luck. There you go. Awesome. Let's get some more. The carrots are all out of the ground. Looking beautiful. Still with the carrot tops attached. Imagine getting those as a gift. A bouquet of carrots. Anybody would be happy. I also took the opportunity to harvest the spinach. Look at that. Green, crispy, fresh spinach. That's one hell of a pile there. Beautiful. And here we have the Lal-Saag. That's the end of the harvest for today. I'm going home with all these blessings. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your support. Please give me a like, share and a subscribe. Until next time, take care, look after yourself. All the best. Bye bye.